When we are speaking, what can we do to get a signal from the audience that tells us that they are awake? Well, hopefully they won't be snoring. You won't hear them snoring, which is always a good sign. This is a funny one because this did come up last week when I was working with the guys. It's I because we all have a kind of a resting bitch face, or we all have that. If we are concentrating on something, if we are really engaged in listening, then some people, it looks like they're not engaged in listening at all. But you've just got to accept that everybody is different, and everybody will learn and engage in a different way. So the thing to do is to not assume that the person in the front row that looks like he's falling asleep is actually falling asleep. He may well, or she, that may well be the way that they listen and learn. So just keep going. Just assume that what you're doing is the best that you are doing it. Don't let it make your energy drop, because that is what happens quite often, is you look out or you don't feel like you're getting any feedback from the audience, and so either your energy drops or you go over the top. And I've had it myself. I've done that myself, especially when you're speaking. It's not so bad if you're on stage as an actor, because the lights, you can't see the audience. But when you are a speaker, daytime, in a conference room or whatever, and you're doing a talk, you can see everybody's faces. And I have had that where I've looked at somebody and I thought, oh my God, they really aren't engaged. But you can't let it throw you. You have to carry on and just assume that you are, if there's 60 people in the audience, that you are playing, there's going to be one person that maybe not be interested. Is, play to the other 59. They are awake. They really are.